Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to check which of these number are larger number. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is we first check the greatest common divisor of the number 22 and 33. So here we see that the GCD or greatest common divisor of 22 and 33 is 11. Okay, and after that we take the 11th root on both of the numbers, and we will write it in the form of 33 to the power of 22 and whole power 1 over 11 versus 22 to the power of 33 and whole power 1 over 11. After that we apply here exponent law, and we know that if we have nested exponents, then these exponents are multiplied by each other. So we find in this form a to the power of m multiplied by n. Similarly, we apply this exponent law in both of the numbers, and we will obtain 33 to the power of 22 multiplied by 1 over 11. Similarly, we can multiply both of the exponents here, 33 multiplied by 1 over 11, and we know that 11 2s are 22 and 11 3s are 33. Okay, so here we obtain 33 to the power of 2 versus 22 to the power of 3. And after that again we can write 33 as 11 multiplied by 3 and whole power 2 versus we can write 22 as 11 multiplied by 2 and whole power 3. Okay, after that we just break the exponents, and we can write 11 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 versus we can write here 11 to the power of 3 versus 2 to the power of 3. And after that we just divide both sides by 11 to the power of 2. So here we divide 11 to the power of 2 on both numbers. Then we can see that these are gone, and here we will find, or we will get 3 to the power of 2, and versus here we can see that these are cancel out and only the one power is remaining, and 11 is multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Okay, after that we can just expand 3 to the power of 2, and we can see that this is 9. And when we can expand 2 to the power of 3, then we will get 8. And after final step we can check that 11 8 is 88. Okay, so here we easily compare 9 and 88, and we can see that 9 is lesser than 88. So hence we can conclude our final answer of both of the given integers, 33 to the power of 22 and 22 to the power of 3, is that the number 33 to the power of 22 is less than or lesser than 22 to the power of 33, or we can say that the number 22 to the power of 33 is greater than this number. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.